Kia ora. We are learning to stretch our sentences and add detail. Here is my sentence. Blue lay on the mat. Here's an example of a poster which can help you stretch a sentence. It just breaks it down into who, doing what, when, where, and why. And there's an awesome example of a little sentence underneath each section. You can see how that sentence has been built up. And it's also displayed by the picture that's next to it. We're going to try the first part, who. I have a cat called Blue. My cat called Blue is my starting sentence. Doing what? My cat called Blue lay stretched out on the mat. So you can see how we've gone from a short sentence and we've stretched it out and added more detail. Next part is when. My cat called Blue lay stretched out quietly each night on the mat. Where? Blue lay stretched out quietly each night, grooming himself in the lounge with his petite furry paw on the pretty purple mohair mat, untangling the day's fun from his fur. You can see in this part I've got a little bit away with myself and I've wrote a lot more words to create a bigger picture. Why? So on this part here, untangling the day's fun from his fur is the reason why my cat Blue is laid stretched out quietly at night, grooming himself in the lounge with his petite furry paw on the pretty purple mohair mat. Your turn. Use the Stretch a Sentence poster included inside of this flip video to stretch a sentence about two of these images below. You choose and start off simple and build it up each way. I look forward to being able to read your sentences. Make sure you have these completed before you come down to your workshop. Until next time.